Hello, Honors Algebra. How we doing? Just coming at you with another checklist video for you guys for the week. Just going over some stuff. We have grades, well, progress reports that are going to be due on. I had to get them in by Thursday, so I need you guys, if you have any missing work, to get that in by Wednesday. Okay. So then for this week, what we're going to do, we are wrapping up our quadratic stuff. So I think this is going to be the last week where we're working with, of course, we'll come back to it, but this is the last week where we're learning something new about quadratics, and it is about vertex form, okay? And then from then on out, the rest of the year is going to be about statistics and probability and like histograms, box plots, stuff like that. So that stuff I think is easier than what we've been doing now. So that's some good news. Anyway, so for this week, what we're going to do, I need you guys to watch the video from last week on the algebra prep questions. We get another set of those questions, and then we're going to do the vertex form, the notes for that. So translations and dilations, you'll see in the video, and then we'll have a homework on that, and that's going to be it for this week. Okay, so I really need you guys to focus in on this last topic here on quadratics, and then we will be moving on. All right. If you guys have any questions or need any help, please reach out. I'm always available. And yeah, I think that's about it. If you guys need me, let me know, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye.